discovering the art of artifact restoration. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: artifact restoration. This process is all about bringing the past back to life, allowing us to see, touch, and understand historical objects just as they once were. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply curious, understanding artifact restoration will open your eyes to the meticulous work that goes into preserving our heritage. Artifact restoration refers to the careful and skilled process of repairing, conserving, and sometimes reconstructing historical objects to preserve their appearance and integrity. These objects can range from ancient tools, pottery, and sculptures to paintings, manuscripts, and buildings. The goal is to make these items as close to their original state as possible, without altering their historical value or meaning. The restoration of artifacts serves several crucial purposes. Firstly, it helps in preserving history for future generations, allowing them to learn from and connect with their past. Secondly, restoration can also protect these items from further degradation, ensuring they survive for as long as possible. Additionally, through restoration, we can gain a deeper understanding of ancient technologies, materials, and artistic techniques, enriching our knowledge of human history and culture. The process of artifact restoration involves several meticulous steps, often requiring the expertise of skilled conservators. It begins with a thorough assessment of the item's condition, followed by research to understand its historical context and original materials. Conservators then decide on a restoration approach that best preserves the item's integrity. The actual restoration work can include cleaning, repairing damages, and sometimes reconstructing missing parts with careful attention to historical accuracy. Restoring artifacts is not just about the physical work. It also involves important ethical considerations. Conservators must balance between restoring an item to its original state and preserving the marks of its history, including wear and repairs from its time of use. The choice of materials and techniques is also critical, as modern interventions should be reversible, where possible, to allow for future advances in conservation methods. Artifact restoration is a bridge between the past and the present, offering us a tangible connection to the histories, cultures, and lives of those who came before us. It's a discipline that combines art, science, and ethics to ensure that our shared heritage is preserved for generations to come. We hope this exploration has illuminated the importance and complexity of artifact restoration. Thanks for watching, and may your curiosity continue to lead you to discover more about our fascinating world.